Hello, hello. This is Kinesiology 214 Module 3 Overview video. If we scroll ourselves on down to Module 3, we are now in week number 6 and 7 of this course. Man, we are whipping through this thing. So week number 6 is October 28th, and week number 7 is our November 4th class. If we go ahead and open up Module number 3, we have a lot going on actually in this module, right? So we've talked about the body, we've talked about movement patterns in Module 1. In Module 2, we talked about different training programs and modalities, and also strength versus power, etc., aerobic versus anaerobic. And now we're going to talk a little bit about ways to calculate performance, whether it's strength, cardiovascular, and in cardiovascular, how to actually calculate heart rate ranges and workout ranges for clients. Lab-wise, we're still in the body parts here. And this is the last lab for the main body parts. So alphabetically, we're now to the S's, we're into shoulders. And we have a virtual lab on Blackboard and also a check for learning on Blackboard. Now, what's important to note is once we complete the main body parts and we work through those, arms, back, chest, core, legs, shoulders, we now have in week number 7, or session number 2 of module 3, if you will, we have a practical midterm. This is a hands-on midterm that the students will do as a trainer. And as a trainer, you'll be paired up with somebody to do a particular exercise. It'll be a multi-joint exercise. You'll have to spot them, present the exercise, talk about what it works, etc., and actually do a one-on-one session for one exercise with a client, that being your classmate. So to that end, everything we've done during the first 6 weeks kind of leads up to this leads up to this practical midterm. And so I urge you to make sure that you ask any questions that you need to leading up to this, because this is worth some points here, and I want to make sure you guys can get those points. Other things we talk about now in week number 7 when we jump in are just considerations regarding the person. And when you have a client who presents in front of you, what do they present with? Are they a 20-year-old college football player? Are they an 80-year-old lady who plays bridge? Is it somebody who wants to increase their golf game? Perhaps they need flexibility? Or is it somebody who needs to work on plyometrics and do a bunch of box jumps? Different people from different populations will have different requirements that you're trying to help them meet as a wellness practitioner. So to that end, you have to know who's in front of you. And you have to know how these people not only fit in the particular buckets, if you will, within the population, but how you can progress them from one content area to another when you're training them. So with that, I'm going to go ahead and sign myself off. But before I do, I just want to point out week 6, everything is due by November 3rd at 11:59 p.m. And in week 7, everything is due by November 10th at 11:59 p.m. If you have issues, concerns, problems, etc., please email me. Remember, if the homework assignments are all done on Blackboard and they don't require any manual grading, those results are instantaneous. If I have to do any grading, give me 24 to 48 to get those done, and I'll have those results in. You can see those in your grade book. All right, guys, signing off. Have a good one. Bye.